Where are we, Levi?
Costco.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
Jesse, what do you
Got your
say?
return items?
Nothing.
So what?
Nothing.
So what?
Nothing. Nothing. She was
The
putting in my
pre-screening.
ear.
She was what?
She was whispering in my ear something
You got the return
that I
items?
didn't say.
No, you didn't say.
She
was lying? Jesse's jamming out to Hanson.
Where's Mom?
Oh, hi, baby.
Sure.
After you literally said 5 seconds ago that you hate sweet potatoes.
I'm hungry.
Adri, I'm gonna do a trick shot.
Trick shot. That's right.
Trick shot then. You can see it in the background. You guys have to corner him to get him. That's our favorite. That's our Costco favorite.
Mushrooms.
It's the baby cheeses. You said spicy?
Sour.
Yeah, most cheeses. You did the spritz.
I did what?
You did a little pucker.
Puckers his lips and keeps going.
Just in case the apocalypse, you know.
The cart's over here, better. Wrong way.
She's panicking. She's like, I gotta find a cart. Oh my gosh. How did we get to the book section?
Because this is. Oh!
What is it?
This is all of C.S. Lewis's other books that aren't Narnia. Really? We used to have some of them.
I'm hungry.
You don't like Elvis? Wow. Well, we're finally finished at Costco. Next, we're going to go get lunch, I believe.
We will rock you. Hey! We will rock you. I don't know who did it. Like this video. do. Mom should do it. I need to push the face. I just push his face.
His what? You squish his face?
74 of those people watched.
Hey guys, I am back with another craft video with Emily and Jesse. We are going to make slime. You will need a measuring cup, a spoon, cornstarch, and a bowl. Let's get started. Now, you'll need 1 cup of water and 2 cups of cornstarch. Jesse, mix it up. Hey! Mix it up. Whoa! Okay, here. Wait. This is a bit hard.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, okay, here.
Okay.
You want me to get this
How
part?
about we use our hands?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, let's use our hands.
Yeah, get your hands in.
Wow.
No,
Oh!
Levi's coming. More cornstarch.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's good.
We'll find out.
Levi! You're not supposed to be in here.
Okay, ready?
Just a little bit. Okay, good. Now let's try. It's in hard. So it's very messy. I got slime on my hands. It's so hard. Oh! This is a lot of slime.
It doesn't look like slime. Yes, that's how it is.
It's the kind when you manipulate it. Hardens.
Watch, Bethany, pick it up and ball it around so one can see. Whoa.
And then as soon as you let go,
See?
it liquefies.
It's
So-
cool.
Why
What
did
are
you
you
do it over the plate?
See,
Doing?
look at it.
Would you look at this?
See what happens.
Okay.
Mix it.
Look at this.
Would you look at this?
I think it needs a bit more water though.
It's actually making it thicker.
Yeah, which is not very nice.
No, this is good. Look.
This is more
You
the
actually have a
consistency
chance.
than it was in my class.
Okay,
Yeah,
well,
you have a
that's good.
chance now to make it, and it's green. Isn't this incredible? Nice thing is none of this is toxic. It's literally moringa, cornstarch, and water.
So we can eat it?
You, in theory, could eat it if you wanted.
Can I try it?
I went in Dad's
I
hands and
don't
put it.
think it would taste good.
I want to try it.
It's got a lot of bones in it. Okay, this is actually how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, so basically I'm trying to cross America starting from only a penny in 30 days. So I'm in LA right now. So I'm going to be trying to travel all the way to North Carolina. All buses. Yes, it's going to be daily vlogs.
The last person to travel across America is the penny. Put it on this.
Got it. Okay,
Here's the deal. Your penny is going beside his. Don't let him upstage you.
got it.
Well, the thing is, I'm not really good at that type of stuff, and I didn't have any time to do anything cool. So truly, this is what I would be delivering if it wasn't thanks to my good friend Tyler Blanchard. So Tyler has been working this entire time on a giant, awesome penny for me to deliver to Mr. Beast. I actually don't know what it looks like, but I know that he said it was big, and it's like 3D, and it's like a whole thing. So when I get off of this bus, I'm meeting up with Tyler.
We're watching the last Ryan train. The last penny challenge video.
I'm so slow right now.
I wonder what it's made of. Is it copper?
Probably actually, yeah. Well, Mr. Beast did that by accident and locked it. Mr. Beast plans everything.
No, that was on purpose.
Little do I know, he's actually created an elaborate scavenger hunt.
What?
I need something about this good, Michael.
$50,000. I got my penny. Now what are you doing?
I'm going to sleep.
Okay, I got a bed. Thanks for watching.
Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
Now where are you going? $13 million? He raised $13 million. What?
That's awesome.
All right, so in preparation for selling the bus, we have to go through all of our clothing because, as you've seen in our last few months of vlogs, we have done a ton of thrift store shopping, which means we have a ton of clothes. And being that we haven't been in the bus, I haven't been able to go through and sort out the old stuff. And so while we're at it, I just wanted to show you guys, I know that Probably everyone thinks that we don't have a lot of clothing storage on the bus, which we don't have a ton, but I wanted to show you when you jam things in just how much you can fit in each kid's little cubby. So that's how big the cubby is. That's Adri's. She keeps hers pretty well organized and looks small. It's a little basket. But all of the clothes in this laundry basket that are overflowing came out of that one cubby. So that is like a full load of laundry right there worth of clothing per kid. So really that's not too little amount of clothes even compared to most people's standards. Now it's too much clothes for us because that's just a lot of digging to try to get through all those clothes, and so we're about to go through that and seriously minimize. All right, so this is the mountain of clothes that I am getting rid of. Sorted through stuff, which is great. That much fewer clothes. Emily, hope, get out of there. That many fewer clothes to try to worry about when we're overseas. We don't have to pack them. I don't have to sort them at that time. I'm sure there'll still be a little bit more minimizing to do before, but it's a pretty good start. Well, Michael still has to go through his, and Toby's got to go through his. Exactly.
Gruzinko bell.
Gruzinko bell.
Just enjoying some delectable ice cream on a hot summer's day. Today is Canada Day. American friends, July 1st is Canada Day.
Did you just break the bucket?
On July 4th. What's that? What do you call it? 4th of July?
You see
So we tell them, we are the Canadians, the mighty, mighty Canadians, the mighty, mighty Canadians. Ooh, we're proud! Ooh, we're proud! Ooh, we're proud!
We just so
Roadrunner! He was my favorite character in Looney Tunes. I got his autograph real
I
quick.
liked the wolf better.
How'd you get his
Oh,
autograph?
the coyote. That's
What?
it
Wile E.
was.
Coyote?
He was dumb.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was stupid. That's the point. Roadrunner just ran circles around him.
I liked him. Just like I like to talk better than Jerry.
What? That's way cooler. Wait. Which one's Tom Whittle's very good?
The cat is
So we are heading to a farm in Texas to buy farm fresh milk. They also make cheese. We're gonna get some cheese, and I'm so excited. We haven't got farm fresh dairy in a long time, so this is super exciting. We got milk, guys, from the farm. We don't do a lot of dairy in the U.S. unless we can get it from the farm, and we haven't really found a farm, so this is the first time. So yay for milk.
Yay for milk. Milk. Milk or milk?
Or milk.
Which, okay, comment below. How do you say it? Milk,
Milk.
milk, or milk?
Alright guys, that was so exciting for me. They had way more than I thought they were going to have. I thought it was just going to be a little bit of dairy and maybe some grass-fed meat. But they had grass-fed meat. They had such a wide selection of dairy that is made right there on their farm. They had cheddar cheese, feta cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheese balls. I didn't buy those. We don't really eat cheese balls. They had fermented food, so they had sauerkraut and kimchi and fermented salsa. They had some sugar-free jams, which I got for my kids because they've been begging for jam. They didn't even know that yet, so I got them some sugar-free jam. They had, like I said, they did have the grass-fed meat, so I kind of went grocery shopping in their little tiny farm store, but it was super awesome, and I'm really excited because I love feeding my family good, wholesome, healthy food like that. And when you're moving around a lot, it's hard to find those places. It's good if you're in one spot and you get familiar with your stores in the area, but we have not been in an area where we can get familiar with stores. So, of course, I did hear about this store while Michael was in school in Athens and didn't come because it's a little bit of a drive. And now I'm coming today, and we're leaving the area on Monday. So I did come today because I knew we were leaving right away, and they're closed on Sunday when I would have been able to come before we left. So stocked up a little bit, so we should be good for the next month till while we are finishing clearing out the bus and trying to get it sold, and hopefully we finish it all up just as hopefully the bus sells. So
Nice.
Nasty, Toby? Ow.
Perfect for mobile gaming.
Aqua? Is that the color you wanted, or was that
It's
just
turquoise.
Oh, okay. Is that the only one you?
It was this or pink.
Oh yeah, I probably should go that one.
See that?
50%
Are you gonna be playing it?
No, I'm just gonna look at it. Yes, I'm gonna play it.
better than pink.
Okay,
Excited, Tobes?
I wonder, do I have to...
Probably gonna be charged.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
It's so weird. It's like a controller with a screen in the middle.
Yeah.
So I figured out a little secret at McAllister's to save us a ton of money. Their kids' meals, their kids' toasties, which is a sandwich, basically like a grilled sandwich, and their baked potatoes are only 99 cents with a side. Their meals for adults are way more, but my kids don't get filled up on one kid's meal. So what we've done is order 2 kids' meals for each of them. They get 2 sides, they get 2 sandwiches, or Alex and Rebecca got
Cheesy baked potato and broccoli.
And sandwich.
and a sandwich. They got a sandwich and a baked potato. They got a side of applesauce and a side of broccoli, and that cost $2. Emily opted just for 2 turkey sandwiches, and then she got her 2 sides. Bethany went with an adult sandwich, so hers is a little bigger, has a little more stuff on it, but she liked that better than getting one. And then we even got Levi a baked potato because it was 99 cents. So we just ate out, all of the kids getting a ton of food for $55 for 10 of us to eat. That's amazing. I can't even think of the last time we spent that amount of money eating out. And it's all pretty decent food, so it's awesome.